Ever wondered how your driveshaft transfers engine power while constantly changing angles? Today we'll see exactly how a universal joint works. The input shaft turns the spider. The spider transfers torque through for trunnions into the output shaft. It's a masterpiece of mechanical engineering. To understand the U-joint, let's look inside. Components like the input yoke, spider cross, and bearing caps work in perfect harmony. Needle bearings reduce friction, allowing the joint to move freely under heavy loads. These tiny rollers are the secret to smooth power delivery. Every part has a specific job. When we disassemble the joint, we see how the snap rings hold the entire assembly under pressure. Watch as the needle bearings fall into their precise tracks. This intricate design ensures the joint can handle thousands of rotations per minute. When the engine rotates the input shaft, torque flows through the spider. Notice how the energy paths glow as they move through the metal. The power transfers seamlessly to the output yoke. Even as the shaft spins rapidly, the connection remains rigid and efficient. The real magic is power at any angle. As the suspension moves, the U-joint allows the shaft to bend without breaking. Inside, the spider pivots smoothly. This flexibility is what allows your car to handle bumps while maintaining speed and power. Deep inside the bearing caps, lubrication is key. Grease must spread evenly to prevent the needle bearings from overheating and seizing. On the road, the rear axle is constantly moving up and down. The U-joint compensates for this travel in real time. This split screen shows the exterior movement alongside the internal joint action. Notice how the joint flexes to match the axle's position, but U-joints aren't invincible. A worn joint can lead to vibrations, strange noises, and eventually, a total failure of the drive line. Signs of failure include rust around the seals and loose movement. Always inspect your joints for play to avoid getting stranded. Reassembly requires precision. The mechanic carefully installs the new spider cross and presses the bearing caps back into the yoke. A fresh layer of grease and new snap rings ensure a secure fit. The joint is now ready for years of heavy-duty service. Testing the movement by hand ensures there is no binding. A healthy joint should move smoothly in all directions with zero resistance. Power, flexibility, and reliability. That's the engineering behind every universal joint. It's the silent hero of your vehicle's drivetrain. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive. If you enjoyed this mechanical exploration, subscribe for more engineering breakdowns.